Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this very simple makeup look. This makeup look is what this whole video is all about mainly, but I'm also going to show you, my outfit, taking you all the way to my client, you around Paris. I know you guys like that, and with a little bit of luck, maybe my client would let me film her look. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get into the look. So I'm gonna be out a lot. Well, not a lot, but I'm going to be in daylight. So every single time I leave the house, I'm going to use SPF. The SPF that I use right now, it's from this Korean brand. It's called Logically Skin, and it's the Professional Sunblock SPF 50 Plus. This is what I've been using lately. I cannot say it's like my favorite product of all times in terms of SPF, but I feel like it really protects my skin. The only thing about this product is that I cannot use it as my only moisturizer because it doesn't hydrate the skin enough. If you're looking at me and you're like, dude, how much SPF are you using? A lot. Listen, I'm gonna look like a geisha in a second, and then I have to work it for like 5 minutes into the skin to make it really seamless. But the thing about SPF is that it is proved that it's the main thing that will keep your skin looking, healthy, youthful, because even skin tone equals a youthful appearance of the skin. So that's why you do not want to skip your SPF. What's great about this product is that once you massage it and like really sinks into the skin, you don't feel it. It's not greasy at all, like at all. Although my skin is pretty dry on the cheeks, it gets pretty oily, especially now that the weather gets a little bit warmer on the T-zone. So I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Blurring Primer. This is the Pure Canvas Primer. Listen, so good, especially if you have large pores in this area, and if your skin gets like oily throughout the day and your foundation kind of breaks in this area or on your nose, try this primer. It's so good. I've put way too much, by the way, in here. So the way I like to apply this is by patting it into the skin. As you can see, my face still has a little bit of that whitish situation from the SPF, but I'm gonna fix it with a foundation. Now, one product that I've been dying to show you is this Auric Glow Lust. This is a product created, and it's a brand created by a fellow YouTuber in here, Samantha. I bet that a lot of you know her. She's like such a sweetheart and recently launched her brand. And of course, I wanted to show support, so I bought 2 of these. I wanted to buy more, but it was out of stock on the colors that I wanted for the other products. So I got these 2 colors. I was not sure which one would suit me better. One is selenite and the other one is pyrite. And selenite, I would say it would suit me better. What this is, it's not a foundation. I know it looks like a foundation, but it's not. It's like a great It's a product that will give you a beautiful glow. It doesn't really provide coverage. It's really just like a super glowy product. This can be applied before or after foundation. You could use it as a highlighter, mix it with your daily moisturizer, mix it with your foundation. Like, it's so versatile. I'm going to get this only on the highest points of the cheek because I don't want to shine all over the face. So, this is super, super similar, but I would say better with the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. Moving on with By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Foundation. My color right now is 300W, which is warm. You gotta make sure you mix this product really, really well before you apply it. This has an additional SPF 30, so it's great. I'm gonna apply it with a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and my skin will get back to its color. This is the lightest formula of foundation with the most coverage. You could apply this with brush, but I think if you want to get the max out of this foundation, you would apply it with a damp beauty sponge. Like, it makes such a huge difference. Now, you see I'm wearing high colors. When I wear something with like high colors like I'm wearing right now, I need to be like super careful not to touch it and stain it. I hate when I'm staining like the collars of shirts or sweaters. So I'm gonna show you what I do. Now, of course, I don't wanna have any, color difference between my face and my neck is always lighter. So I move on applying a little bit of foundation, like in here. But then I'm taking the other side of the beauty blender, which is completely clean, and getting the excess. Like, this way I know that at least it's like the minimum amount. And that's not it. I will also show you like another step that I do. I'm gonna be using this Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and I'm trying to get like probably this is going to be the last breath of the color Custard. When I want to brighten the under eyes, I use Custard. When I want to just cover the dark circles without having like too brighter under eyes, I would use Macadamia. I could use Crème, the color Crème as well. That works great. So what I love about this concealer is that it has really great colors. All these three honestly work for me: Crème, Macadamia, and Custard. You see? It's so amazing. I love it. Next is powder. I know that some of you have more of a hate relationship with powder, but for me, it's necessary. I have to use powder, especially, when I want my makeup to last. Okay, so before I get on with powder, I just like make sure the concealer is not set in the creases. Okay, now I'm going to take this Misa M015 brush and get some powder to set the concealer. Very small amount of powder. And a little bit here around the mouth, because listen, I have 2 wrinkles, they're already there, nothing I could do about it. And sometimes foundation sticks into those 2 wrinkles that I have around my mouth, so gotta use some powder. Another step that I do for this, I take the beauty blender, the bottom, right? I put some powder in there. I press, oops, it's a little bit too much. Press the powder in, okay? And then I do this. Now, when the foundation is hydrating, like the By is, it's easier to get on this side of the sweater, right? So if I set it with powder, even if it touches, it's not gonna come off as easily. I'm gonna use this bronzer today. This is the Guerlain Terracotta in 01. And then this is a Misa M004 brush. I kind of need to hurry, you guys. I gotta be at my client in less than an hour, and I have to take pictures of this look. I mean, first I need to finish this look, take pictures, and get dressed, because I'm still having my sweatpants on. You know the drill. Wherever the sun hits your face, it's pretty much the same placement for everybody. Where would you get tan? A little bit in here, on the nose, a little bit on the forehead. Don't forget the brow bone. When you apply a little bit of bronzer in there, just everything looks better. And also the nose. Cannot wait for summer. Isn't this bronzer like so nice? But I take my time, when I apply it. I never like just dig into it and then apply it on my face. because you're gonna take much more time to correct everything. You guys, this Gucci eyebrow pencil, this is surprisingly good. It is like, it's very, very similar. I don't know if any of you know the first pencil that Anastasia Beverly Hills came out with. I think it was called the Perfect Eyebrow Pencil, and it was available in like 7 colors. It's very, very similar to that. So it has more of a dry consistency, but what I'm really surprised about is the color. It's so good for me. Why am I having all this stuff on my eyebrows? So I just fill it in. It's gonna make my eyebrows look more on the powdery side. So you cannot compare this product with the micro detailing pen for eyebrows like the one from Glossier or the one from Anastasia. Like, no. This is more like for busy women who just want to slap on something on their eyebrows. It's like so fast. But you got to make sure you use the spoolie on the other side to spread the product and make it look really, really natural. Then I just gotta use 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, else my eyebrows will go down all sad on me. So this is mandatory. So I think I'm gonna be wearing this sweater all day long, and then jeans and maybe some red boots. I'm not sure yet because I don't know how long I'm gonna be like standing, and if I need to stand more than 6 hours, I can't do heels. But if it's less than 6 hours, I love to wear heels. And I'm gonna show you the outfit in a second. But what I wanted to say is that because I think I'm gonna wear color, I don't want my makeup to compete with my outfit, so I'm gonna do very clean, very like neutral type of makeup. And I'm gonna try the magnetic matte eye color from NUDESTIX in the color Terra. I'm very impressed with how super long lasting they are. And I am the one color eyeshadow type of gal. You guys know this. You know, spread it with my finger like so. This dries pretty fast, so you gotta like spread it fast. This is just giving me a little bit of shadow, right, on the eyelids. And then I do the same for the lower lashes because as I have small eyes, you guys, this trick where I'm surrounding my eye basically with one color, this is making my eyes look a little bit larger. Now let's do mascara, and I'm going to be using the Sweet Lashes because currently it's my favorite. So you know how I am. When I like a product, I kind of obsess over it and overuse it. But like for real, I mean, how could you not love this? Next, I'm going to be using this lip liner from Jouer. This is Long Wear Cream Lip Liner, and it's a retractable one. It has a little sharpener at the end of the pencil, so you could always have a really nice sharp tip. Next, I'm going to be using the Armani lipstick. Ooh, this is a bit darker than expected. Oh, Jesus, it's already 11 o'clock. You will find this color in Europe in 105, but if you live in the United States, someone told me, because I was trying to find this in Sephora US and I could not. I looked for Nordstrom, Saks, everywhere because I love this color so much, and it looks like the same color would be 501 from Armani. I'm gonna put everything in the description down below. And listen, I have no time to look for a blush right now, so I'm gonna put some of these lipstick on the back of my hand, and then with the beauty blender, don't apply the lipstick directly on your face. It's going to take a longer time for you to blend it. And just tap, tap, tap. And this is it. Let's move on with the outfit. You guys, this is my full outfit. So just jeans, and actually these are Amina Modi shoes. It's actually the person that I'm going to do makeup for right now. The jeans are Topshop, and I'm gonna try to find them and link them down below. They're the most amazing. They're the mom style, and I love the color. You guys, I've been wearing these for like 3 years, maybe even more. I love them, and I also like the way they look like without, you know, high heels. Now I'll put on a mask, put on a trench coat, and get moving. I didn't get to eat. Let's go.
Who's my boy? We're done. We're done for the day.
He wants to bring me his toy. Look at him.
No, stay there. Stay there.
All right, I'm done. That was fast. It's only 1:30, so I am super happy that I managed to do my work fast, and the client was happy, and I'm happy. And now I'm gonna go back home and I will film another video. Wait, at the door.
Hola.
He's right here. Always saving me. I'm gonna take my mask off just so you can see how sweaty I am. This is how you know I've had a job. I'm such in a rush after I'm done that I just don't do it.
The lights are so beautiful here. They're beautiful.
Just saying this for the YouTube.
No.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram here. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!